Hey guys, check it out. So this is a really cool system for a master bedroom. If you take a look, first things first is a beautiful OLED LG C8, which we did mount over this fireplace with all of the wires concealed. And we're using the 350 center speaker, which is a really nice, slim, low profile center speaker from Episode. And overhead for our front left and right, we're using the Episode 350 series in-ceiling speakers. Not top of the line like the living room, but this is perfect for a bedroom. I mean, you get a full 5.1 at a very reasonable cost. For the rears, left and right, we have the 350s as well. The customer hasn't gotten his furniture yet, but if you look over here to the side, he has a nice 10-inch Element subwoofer from Episode. And then what we did was terminate all of our wiring and components down here below. Again, this isn't finished yet. He's going to paint his cabinets, but this kind of gives you an idea of something that you can do in your own home. And under here, we just have a network switch, as well as our Pro Control processor, just like the living room, Apple TV, a Sonos Connect for streaming his music to this zone as well, and then cable box and a Anki receiver, which is capable or compatible with the Sonos Connect. We have a Wattbox surge protector and all of our structured wiring. The cabinet guys moved our wiring when they put this in the other day. I'm gonna come back and clean this up, but that's everything that's under there. And then again on the remote, the Pro 24.R. One button press, super easy to use touchscreen remote. And we have everything laid out on there so that you can lay back in bed and not have to worry about hitting the TV with infrared. All right, well, that is an overview of a master bedroom 5.1 surround sound system with a beautiful 65-inch OLED TV. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, as well as like and comment. Let us know if you would like us to do any other videos. We're open to recommendations as we are still new to YouTube. Thank you for watching. This is Zach, the Dreamedia Home Theater.